Deep in the heart of Pennsylvania, there is incredible fly fishing for native brook trout. Plunge pools, waterfalls, chutes, eddies, deep runs, and fast-moving rifts. These are the home waters of Savalinus fontinalis, the gorgeous state fish of Pennsylvania. Cold, clean water, bubbling up and flowing down through the mountains of a breathtaking Middle Earth-like environment. It is a slice of fly fishing heaven. Long casts and light leaders with dry flies and beadhead dropper nymphs are too irresistible, if presented properly, for the opportunistic native trout. Remote, peaceful, and picturesque. The perfect place to contemplate the day, week, month, or that elusive wild trout sipping mayflies from the surface of the water near the opposite stream bank. Just one of many fabulous moments on this day in the great outdoors of the Keystone State. Magnificent cut rock formations created by the power of flowing water through the millennia. The stream is framed with majestic oak, maple, and overhanging hemlock trees that are like the guardians of this most precious of all resources, water, the giver of life. State game lands abundant with life in the mountains of Penn's Woods. Blooming flowers, emerging fungi, and the beautiful sounds of the birds of a temperate eastern forest. It's the perfect location for a Wild Trout Man wild trout encounter. This is fly fishing nirvana, an art, science, adventure, and zen experience, which makes for an absolutely incredible sport. Join me and my friends Dave and Bill as we explore this stream that years back was a favorite of Dave's. It's good to be back, and I'm glad you are here with us for this episode of the fly fishing adventures of Wild Trout Man. Enjoy. Welcome to Wild Trout Man, here on a beautiful Pennsylvania day. Tied up some super atoms last night.
We just rose right there.
Dave, you're up to bat first, man.
You see where that little couple of rocks come out from the left? It was right above that.
Yeah?
That's what I just said.
Boy, if we're getting risers.
That spot usually has a couple of trout in it.
Yeah, little shot of that. That's here we go.
And I will tell you later when I'm home what the species is.
Welcome to Wild Trout Man. We're here on a Pennsylvania stream that's considered natural reproduction. Got my buddy Dave here. He's practicing some casting first. New friend here, Bill, along for the ride. We're gonna do some
Doesn't get any better than this.
after some native brook trout here. Possibly some wild browns, but we're thinking we're gonna be catching some, hopefully catching some native brook trout along this gorgeous stream, and the condition of the water is really nice. We've had quite a bit of rain, so flows are really good right now. Oh, hey,
See, it just came up
another
again.
Dave, he's calling you, man. Let's go. It was so cool having Dave out. That was a couple weeks ago. And, you know, I think it was his first time catching one on a dry fly.
Oh, nice.
And he caught two of them there. I
So
said, wow,
exciting.
how beautiful to have that happen. That was really nice.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. Rod tip up, rod tip up. Oh, it's moving a little fast. Pull! Yeah, baby! Yeah!
He's on the reel.
Fish on.
All right. Good man.
Oh, God, another one. Another one just rose. Here, let me in that. Here, hang on. He's a beautiful, look at that brookie. Wow. Wow. How gorgeous.
Isn't that
That's
nice fish?
wow. That's awesome. I mean, go get the other one, man. Just beautiful.
Hey, I'm casting,
Look at that fish.
casting better than last time. That's a pretty nice one.
Oh, he's
9 inches or so, yeah.
look at that fish. Just magnificent.
Yeah, it's a beautiful fish.
Beautiful,
Look at the color
beautiful
on that.
fish.
You got to think these things have been here since.
Here we go, man. Well played.
Hey, yeah, not bad.
You want to take them off the hook?
Okay,
it's up
can
to you.
try to get a picture.
Yeah.
Let me get my hands.
Oh, the fly's out already. The fly just fell out.
Fly's out?
Fly's out.
Okay.
Here.
I call these ice age fish. I mean, they've been here for fall on the glacier retreat.
Well, I didn't think he was going to come up because there was quite a few casts already there.
I think they're hungry.
Oh, more action.
I think we've got more than one fish left in here. Just let it go. Try to bring in your line gently with your hand so you don't have so much slack. There's some stuff coming off the water.
Yeah, no, there are, yeah. Oh, nice cast, nice cast.
Come on, there's got to be something
Come on,
there.
come on, come on. Oh, that looked good.
That was a good cast.
I'm gonna go take a look at the waterfall here.
Yeah.
What a beautiful brook trout you caught there.
That was a nice
Oh,
one.
that was a brookie in his prime.
Yeah, it was a nice
Just
one.
gorgeous colors, a beautiful male. That was a beautiful male.
That was a male. Okay. Yeah, I used to get them as big as 12 inches out of here. That's back in the day, though.
Yeah,
they're not getting as big anymore because there's not as much forage for them because of the low pH. You know, there's just not as much food.
Right, yeah, macro-wise is the key.
Yeah.
Yeah, you catch a 10-incher is nice. A 12-incher is a prize.
Yeah, I know. Well, even back then at 12 inches.
Yeah, that's
I would get them once in a while.
Little tiny brookie there. Gorgeous little brookie. And away he goes. It's a sign of a quality stream. You caught an 8-incher, 9-incher. We saw several rises already. How beautiful. This is a little piece of heaven. All right, I'm gonna try the other branch and see if there's anything over there. Water's nice and cold. I'll have to get a temperature. Air temp of 68 degrees. Actually, it's dropping. Wow, it's dropping more. Got some cool air coming down through the stream here. Get a water temp. 55.9 degrees. Let's say 56 degrees. Little guy just came up for it. Casting upstream so they don't see you. Stripping line in so you're ready to set the hook and watching that fly floating down the same speed as the stream, as the bubbles in the stream. Those are really good floats. Should have produced a fish. So, like the report says, the right branch, not as many fish in this right branch as compared to the left branch of the stream. Yeah, so I mean, it's definitely, this is a brookie stream. There should have definitely been something there. Really nice plunge pool here. Yeah, unbelievable that nothing here, nothing coming up for it. That's really surprising. So something's awry with this side, and I would say it has to be pH. pH has got to be low, so there's very few macros, not much food, and therefore no trout, or very few trout. All right, so hypothesis confirmed, and let's move on.
I'm going to a pool down there. I had 3 of them come up in sequence, and finally the last one grabbed.
Oh, the big one down.
Little pool right here.
Oh yeah, awesome.
We have a lot more stream up this way.
Oh, how
that gets
cool!
lot
What
deeper.
a gorgeous stream.
Oh, it is great.
It's beautiful. And that brookie that Dave caught was just
That was a beauty.
so.
I told him he wins the pool for the biggest.
He's got the biggest and the most beautiful so far. I had one little dink come up after it, and that was it.
I've never got any.
You know, and I fished 2 really nice pools over there.
So look at that.
All right. Okay, all right. I
had a small one on.
Yeah.
So I had another one on.
Yeah. Even if you don't get another fish, that first one was such a prize. It was so beautiful.
That was a nice
Oh
one.
my God, that was
back in the day, you come up this run and get 20 like that.
The water temperature is 56 degrees.
56.
56. Can you believe it? Holy God.
That is lower than I thought.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Nice brookie. Wet your hand. Take a look. There he is. So pretty. And away he goes. Oh! Oh man, missed a nice one. Yeah, right at the front of the run. Wow, I was late on the draw. Little guy. Little gorgeous little brookie. How pretty, as always. They're so exquisitely beautiful. Nice and gentle. So pretty. Boy, the cool air coming down here. You know, I had my thermometer out, and it just kept dropping and dropping as the cool air was coming down. You want to give that one a whirl?
Yeah, good.
Oh wow, this jeez. Woo. Look at that.
I'm not sure, you know what, the best way to approach it actually is going to be from below.
Probably from below.
But then you're going to have to come back down to get back up.
That's fine. But just keeping your rod off of the rock, your line off of the rocks there.
Yeah, that pool's about 4 or 5 feet deep.
Is it? Yeah. Wow.
That's the one.
How gorgeous.
Yeah, there's always a nice one in there. All right, want me to take that one?
Sure.
All right.
Dave's got one on. Nice one. Wow. Awesome.
Gotta be a number of them
Go!
The man's on fire. All right, Bill. You're up. You catching them on dry flies or the dropper? Yeah.
Get the dropper off.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, how gorgeous, man.
Yeah, look at that spot, man. I got 2 out of there.
How cool, man.
Yeah.
This is a good hole for a lefty.
That's what Phil just said. I was having a hard time fishing it last week. It was a little hard for me to cast there.
Yeah, I saw you flipping it, the opposite way. That was pretty cool.
I got 2. I've made a couple of casts that pretty far up there. There you go. This hole's probably
It's a productive spot.
Loaded with fish from here.
It's a nice sized fish.
Pretty nice
Look at that baby. Whoa! Look at that!
There you go.
Man, that's a wild trout man moment.
Look at that. Whoa.
Beautiful.
That's a nice fish.
See if I could keep the tradition going here. Fear no hemlock. There's a nice log in the water up there.
There's got to be one there.
There's got one there, Joe.
You guys fished it out. God, they must have been all down the lower end. Sometimes they just like, it's easier to pick stuff off the surface back here. All right, I think I'm done. Boy, my legs are cold. Oh man, I see a whole bunch of them swimming down there. Yeah. Wow, what an amazing hole. Yeah. Just missed one. How beautiful. It's hard to get a good float. Love these mushrooms. These things are so cool. Gee.
Some people call them conchs.
Like the shell, like a conch. Yeah.
Instead of shell fungi.
Uh-huh.
We'll have to ask Mr. Fungus over there.
Yeah, I think it looks like a conch shell.
Maybe sort of striated. Oh, that's good. Come on, guys.
Come on, something hit that.
Really?
It's the artist conch.
Artist
I think that's what those are. Pretty sure.
Really beautiful. It's a little shallow, and there's just that one big rock which doesn't give them much cover. So sometimes you don't find fish there. Bill, I did get a couple nice pictures of you fishing that hole, but prior to hooking that one, unfortunately. Oh, here's a nice spot right here. That one's got fish written all over it. Missed it. Just missed a nice one again. Oh, that was the spot where I had him, right there.
Some of these spots, they're having a hard time seeing the fly.
I'm gonna put on a sinking fly here and see what happens. I just had a nice hit in this hole on the dry, on the super atoms. And I just put on a dropper, a beadhead pheasant tail dropper, just out of curiosity to see. Go ahead. Oh yeah, no, there's definitely that nice one I missed. Oh, that's where he was. Oh gosh, one just jumped. Ha! How funny. A little guy. Oh, I lost him. Oh, that was cool. He came out like a torpedo. It was a nice one. Nothing on the dropper. I thought the dropper might produce in here, but had a couple hits on the dry fly. Missed both of them. How pretty. Look at this. Spectacular. It's pretty cool, these boulders in the middle of the stream like this.
Let me try this. And then once I do what I need to do there, why don't you go up and try that next time?
Okay. All right.
There's gotta be some
I'll get some action shots of you fishing there.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
Ooh! Late on the draw. Oh, nice cast. Pull line in with that left hand. Yo, keep it out there. But just pull line, keep your pull where it is. But pull your left hand. Pull line in now. Just keep.
Oh, I see.
Okay, now put your hand back up there. Okay.
Back up.
Yeah. So look. When you pull the line in, okay, then grab the line there so you're ready to set the hook.
Oh,
boom, right there. That's how you do it. Yeah.
I see.
So
I see. I got you.
so pull a little bit of line in.
Yeah,
Now put your hand. Now move your hand back up there. Now you're ready to strike.
Yeah.
Oh wow, there's a nice one. There's another one. There's two of them there. Wow, nothing. I'm surprised. Wow, that's disappointing. My first cast wasn't the greatest. Hopefully that didn't spook them.
Entomology courses, and
Yeah.
50 years ago, so trying to remember genera nowadays.
Yeah.
Difficult.
We're looking at this mark on the rock here, wondering if it's a fossilized tree trunk. Very cool looking. Very unusual formation. Just gonna check for some macros on the rocks here. A mayfly right here. Nice mayfly. Small. This water is so cold, it hurts my hands.
Wonderful for the fly, I'll tell you that.
Amazing. Yeah, phenomenal.
Climate change here.
Not a lot of macros under the rocks though.
On the streams like this one,
Yeah, you could
not
see.
a lot of photosynthesis going on here.
Yeah.
You're not going to have a lot of grazing.
Uh-huh. Because when you pick up the rock, it's barren. Yeah. There's nothing there.
Main input of energy in the stream like this is wind power.
Uh-huh.
And
Interesting.
stuff like that.
Uh-huh.
You got areas that are more open. If you get a little bit of algae growth, then you would have more of an invertebrate diversity.
Here's a couple caddis right here. First two caddis.
Rocks.
Yeah. I got a dry dropper on as well.
Yeah, I think. How deep did you drop it?
Probably about 2 feet. No, not 2 feet. Well, here it is. 18 inches of that. That's about 2 feet there. I got about 2 feet, yeah. So, all right, maybe Dave's nailing them up above there. Some really amazing mushroom formations. Nice brookie. On the dry, got the dry dropper going. Beautiful brook trout. This one over here. One and done with most of these fish. You got one chance and haven't had any hit a second time after missing them on the first. That's a pretty run.
Yeah.
You don't get a lot of coverage for the trout when you got that one big flat rock like that. Yeah, that's where they got the coverage, so the predators can't come in and grab them. I was getting whacked with really cold temperatures further down, and then once we got up here, getting hit with some heat.
Yeah, you get up on that first level and you can feel it.
Well, you can feel the difference in temperature just right here.
Right up on that shelf.
It changes, yeah, good number of degrees.
Oh yeah, I feel the heat.
Boy, if you feel the difference, it's significant.
10 degrees or something.
Yeah, you think it's that much, 10 degrees?
It might be. Oh, I see, Joe. That spot's really not that deep.
No, it's not deep. It's really shallow, and I think when the water is down like 6 inches, there's not going to be any fish there, so that's probably why there's not any there now.
These little pockets probably have some.
It's hard to get a good float through those little pockets, yeah, because with the water being up.
Right.
This looks pretty fishy. Ooh. Wow, he just nipped it. Oh man, God, that was the float. Oh, colorful brookie. That's a good looking brookie. Beautiful fish. Well, that was cool. That was my best brookie probably today so far. Oh, nice one. Fear no fish. Took off like a torpedo. All right, maybe there's one more. That big rock is undercut right there. And they're hanging out under that big undercut. All right, who's up? All right, big guy.
I'll try it out.
Take a couple casts.
You know what? I think we can probably all get a shot at this.
No,
Yeah, 'cause that's deep. They're not
First,
you pull the big grandpa out, and then we'll go for Junior. That's a good looking hole though, but you got that overhanging tree there. That's gonna cause some issues.
I thought this was going to be real shrubby and brushy.
Oh,
I brought this little stubby one.
Yeah, no,
this is great.
you're able to. No rhododendrons, man. Those rhododendrons are nasty. Let me get out of the way here.
Go ahead, maybe get some shots. GoPro dead?
No, got it going again here. Oh, oh, baby. Yeah. Oh, is he still? Haha, nice. Who's crushing him at the tail end of the pools today?
Come on, baby.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, beautiful
Oh, he got off. That's okay. That's
Nice.
Okay. All right.
All right, Bill. You pull out that 12-incher again. I'll go clean up.
He's like caught 4 trout on a dry fly. I never.
Yeah, nice. It's that's a 50%, or is that how many? What? That's a good increase from last.
100%.
100%. There we go. Oh my God, I'm talking to the math teacher here. I'm screwing up big time. Now watch that southpaw.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Now he's got the big boy on. He's very nice. I'm gonna snip your fly. No. Did one hit? I couldn't see my fly. Oh my gosh. Well, that's cool. How about that response? Ah, slap the water. Crap. Oh, that one's in there. Oh, we got emergency equipment here. Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff coming up in there. So.
Nice.
Now the only thing is, you're gonna have to be wary of this line back here.
Okay. We don't mess around. Wow, beautiful fish. How pretty. Look at that fish. Pennsylvania's finest. Beautiful little male. Beautiful little male. All right, Bill, you're up. It's quite the way to end the day here. Catching multiple trout out of the same hole.
That's why I wanted to make it up to this pool, because I knew there'd be a bunch of trout in it. Once you get above this pool, it's not quite as good.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's still trout up there.
Yeah.
And you know, like that one spot where you said it's just running over that flat rock?
Oh, right.
It's like that.
Okay, yeah.
It's not like this.
When you get the coverage like this, the structure, yeah. This is good stuff.
And the chutes and the little falls. I mean, look at the gradient. You can look right down
It's steep. Hey, we just had a rise over to the left. Or the rocks over to the left, the mossy rocks, there was just a rise.
That 5 trout out of here so far. There's one spot.
That first hole, man, that was awesome.
That was pretty cool.
It was very cool.
Yeah, just go start right out there.
There you go, man. Just get on the board quick with the beauty.
9-inch trout. That was pretty cool. I wonder how old that 10-incher that Bill was.
That fish is, what a hole for it to be in. That was the ultimate spot there. It was so deep. There we go. There we go.
Nice.
Fish on. Minuscule. That's all right. It's a Pennsylvania native brook trout.
Some people think it's pretty good, but I don't bother with it.
When you know the good stuff.
I've got so many good mushrooms that tried out, and everything that I have is pretty much top shelf.
Any risers?
I don't see any, but look at that pool.
Oh man, yeah, that is amazing.
Isn't that great?
Wow, I would like to fish that.
Man,
I wonder if we can get down there.
that is incredible.
Nice looking run here. Stay back and see if you get a nice long cast in there. Got room to work. Nice floats. I would expect the fish to be there. Oh, just saw a rise. Off to the left there. There we go. Nice little brookie. The hand, beautiful, colorful, and amazing. Pennsylvania native brook trout. Look at that. Small guy, very tiny, absolutely stunning. Hoping to pick up some larger brookies here, hopefully. Nice cast. Ooh! Haha! Missed him. Ooh! Missed him again. Let's try up here. It's gonna be hard to see my fly, but we'll hit the center section here. Just looking for a splash right now. It's like a good section for a dropper here as well. Oh, really nice float there. That float was good. Yeah, fish came up twice. Probably the same fish. Nice log jam here. Look at this rock. Look at this thing. Jeez. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, there's no Cracker Jack surprise. That was cool. Ooh, there's a trout right there. There he goes. Ooh, little guy. I'm not going to hold him because my hands are dry. Sure is pretty. Ooh, nice trout. Yeah. Nice 6-7 incher. Might need some more floating on my fly. It's less visible. Let's get some floating. It's still floating, but it's not floating as high and as easy to see. So a little quail. One of my favorite products, a quail. Does a great job. Just a little squeeze, work it in. Even if your fly is wet, it still it rejuvenates it pretty darn well. Rocks are so pretty. Moss covered. Oh, look at this. Wow. Nature at its finest. Really cool. Ow. Just got stung by something. Not a good moment when that happens. I'm far from the car and got to hike back, and geez, I had a big hike up to the waterfall, and yay. Wow, not a good moment. Missed one. Oh, I lost them. Had a hit. Second one. That was on the dry. Oh, shoot. Lost it. That was a nice trout. That was my biggest all day. Wow, got one bending my rod. Beautiful brookie. Beautiful brookie on the Super Adams. Gorgeous. Oh man, missed them again. Oh jeez, God, he hit it again, and I still missed them. And I lost my fly. You gotta be kidding me. Shoot. No, I still have it. God, you think he'll come up one more time? 3 times he came up. Oh, jeez. I just got another one on the other side here. Oh, I don't think it was the same fish. A little dude. There's supposed to be another waterfall here. It's too shallow again here. Just long, flat, red rocks. Don't really hold the fish. I think our waterfall is right here. No fishing off the bridge. Let's try it from down below. Maybe I could get down this way. With my busted boots. Jeez. Oh, yeah. Let's see what happens. It's gonna be hard getting back up. Nice. All right, let's pull one out of here. Oh, I just saw a rise. Saw another rise. Oh, it's starting to rain. Oh! Awesome little guy here over the waterfall. Beautiful little brookie there in the rain. Oh, wow. Wow. Got a nice one. I'm not sure how to get down. I'm not sure I can get down. All right. Extreme times call for extreme measures. I'm gonna have to jump. Geronimo! Whew. Got a nice one. In the rain, at the waterfall. All right, that's our wild trout moment for today. It looks too shallow. Oh geez, I got one. Got a nice one. Nice. Beautiful. Gorgeous Pennsylvania state fish. Love catching them. The environment where you find these just majestic. There it goes. What an awesome day to be out here with Dave and Bill exploring some new water. This stream is classified as natural reproduction. And Dave caught that really nice one right at the start to get us going. And all day long here, we've just been pulling out brookies. I wanted to check out this lower waterfall here, so got a few more casts in, caught a few more trout. Wonderful time. Always great being out with guys who really appreciate the outdoors, appreciate the stunning beauty we have here in Pennsylvania. Until next time, Wild Trout Man. Thank you for watching. Look at my boots. Broken cable on my sim boot. Broken cable on my other sim boot. Damn. It's gonna be a long hike back. Another nice run there. Very tempting to wet a line, but it's time to head back. Good day out here with the boys. Oh my God, we got more good water up here. I'm trying to find a way to scale back up the side of the mountain here, get back to the road, and yikes, there's just more really nice water here. Okay, I'll toss a fly here, and then it's definitely have to call it a day. Nothing. It's so fun being out here. All right, we're going up. Let's see if we could just bushwhack it and get back there. It's been raining. Not too hard, thank goodness. And no thunder and lightning, and so that would put a damper on the moment. It'd be awesome if this is a trail here. It's just runoff. Maybe it's a trail. Let's see if we can get up this way. All right, where are we going here? Our trail has ended. Oh, I think I hit the road. I think it's the road. Oh my gosh, it is. Yeah. Sweet. Sweet. And look, came out of the flowers. These guys are everywhere. It's so pretty. Some wild flowers. Made it back to the road. Oh look, the sky's blue. All right. Hee-haw. Smooth sailing from here. Guess I got about a mile. Signing out.